Why this tiny translator kit is taking over churches and tours. Retekess T130 review is wild. Ever tried running a church service, factory tour, or school event and felt like you were yelling into the void? You're talking, but your audience? Nodding politely while secretly lost in translation, or zoning out completely. Your translator's doing their best, but the audio system is a janky mess from 2009 that cuts out every 3 seconds. You're sweating bullets, praying nobody asks questions you can't hear, and wondering if anyone actually caught what was just said. It's chaos disguised as organized communication, and it's killing your vibe, your message, and your credibility. Been there? Yup, we thought so. Now add pressure, lots of it. Imagine a congregation full of multilingual guests hanging onto every word, and your current gear decides to short-circuit mid-sermon. Or a plant tour where VIP visitors can't hear a word over machinery, and you're stuck repeating yourself like a busted Spotify track. Meanwhile, your team's scrambling with tangled cords, mismatched earpieces, dead batteries, and oh, someone accidentally tuned into the wrong channel again. One missed sentence equals one missed opportunity. You lose clarity. You lose trust. You lose control. And let's be real, in moments like these, your message matters more than ever. Enter the Retekess T130 tour guide system like the smooth-talking superhero it is. 1 transmitter. 15 receivers. All synced up in seconds with crystal clear, interference-resistant sound across up to 16 meters of space. Whether you're running a bustling factory tour, a heartfelt church service, or a school field trip that actually makes sense, this wireless translation system gets it done. It's pocket-sized, super comfy, and so easy to use even your tech-phobic uncle can set it up. Auto-pairing? Yup. 12 to 18 hour battery life? Of course. This isn't just equipment, it's your secret weapon to being heard, loud and clear. The perks? Straight fire. Clear sound that cuts through chaos like a mic drop in a library. No static. No cross-channel drama. No weird alien noises when someone sneezes. Just reliable, clean communication that makes you look like a pro. You can expand to unlimited receivers, use your own headphones, and even connect to external devices for music or pre-recorded content. And it's built tough, lightweight but durable enough to take on whatever your tour or sermon throws at it. Want to stop repeating yourself and start owning the room, or church, or class? Then scroll down and check it out. Seriously. But don't sleep on this, units fly off the shelf. Thousands of pastors, teachers, tour guides, and event organizers already swear by the Retekess T130 for smoother, stress-free communication. And when something this good just works, it gets snapped up fast. With a 3-year warranty, lifetime customer support, and a 30-day no questions asked return policy, there's zero risk. So why wait? Don't fumble your next big moment. Get the tech that keeps you connected, confident, and crystal clear. Click the link, grab your Retekess T130, and let your voice carry, anywhere, anytime. Let's make sure they hear you. Every single word.